Look at these. More rules. We have to categorize every single transaction according to the new tax code, and frankly, I don't see how we're going to meet the deadline.
Assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. It must balance. Why won't it balance?
Wait, where does the equipment go? I'm totally lost here.
The assets must equal liabilities plus equity, but this doesn't balance. Why are there so many errors?
What does that mean? Are we gonna fail this class?
You can't even solve this simple equation. Look at these results. Are you even trying? Ugh. I can't believe how difficult these equations are. We went over this yesterday.
The debits are here, the credits are here, and look at this amortization schedule. It balances perfectly.
I've run these numbers 5 times already. The debits don't equal the credits. Where is this discrepancy coming from?
The retained earnings are completely wrong, and look at this accounts receivable aging. This whole balance sheet is a mess. I give up. As you can see from the income statement here, expenses are significantly up, way past projections. Net income is down 40%. The Q3 income statement is a disaster. Look at this net income figure. It's completely unacceptable. We are way below targets.
Look at these numbers. How can I explain this massive drop in profits to the board?
Now, if you input these figures into your calculator, you'll see the net profit margin. Make sure you're noting this down.
As you can see, the red line is way up, and this receipt proves it. We hit record profits this quarter.
The assets just aren't balancing the liabilities. I've recalculated this 20 times, and the numbers just don't lie. We're broke.
Look at this tape. We accounted for the inventory, but the retained earnings are completely off. It just doesn't balance.
Keep up with your finances so you don't end up like me. Now, if we look at the balance sheet, the probability of these tax liabilities alone means we have to declare bankruptcy.
Cash is king.
Look at this incredible cash flow. It's pouring in faster than we can count it. This is exactly what I mean by optimizing our revenue streams.
This can't be right. Another invoice from the same creditor, and the amount keeps going up. What are we even paying for here? I hope you know that our employees are our most valuable asset. Accounting is the doctor that checks a business's financial health.
Daily deposits are essential for businesses because they enhance security, improve cash flow management, foster financial discipline, and ensure accurate record keeping.
Look at this receipt. The costs are completely out of control. How are we supposed to explain this net income to the board?